Have you ever wondered what personal injury protection, also known as PIP, is and why it's important? Well, you're not alone. PIP is a type of insurance coverage that's often linked with auto insurance policies. It's designed to cover medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs stemming from injuries sustained in a car accident. The unique thing about PIP is that it pays out these claims regardless of who was at fault. That's why it's sometimes referred to as no-fault insurance. Now you might be thinking, what if I'm not at fault? Why should my insurance pay? Well, that's the beauty of PIP. It ensures that you're covered and taken care of immediately, without waiting for fault determination. It's a cushion that softens the financial blow that can come with unexpected accidents. Now that you have a brief understanding of PIP, let's delve deeper into its various aspects. Welcome to Ready Claim, your go-to guide for all things insurance. Today we're discussing an important topic. What exactly does personal injury protection cover? Now, let's dive into the specifics. Personal injury protection, or PIP, is designed to cover a wide range of expenses that may arise following a car accident. It handles medical expenses which can escalate rapidly after an accident. These can include hospital stays, surgery, medication, and even rehabilitation costs. But PIP coverage extends beyond medical bills. If you're unable to work due to your injuries, PIP can cover lost wages, providing financial stability while you recover. In the tragic event of a fatal accident, PIP can also help with funeral expenses. PIP understands that injuries can disrupt your ability to manage everyday tasks. Therefore, if you're unable to perform household services like cleaning or cooking, PIP may cover the cost of hiring help. Essentially, PIP serves as a financial safety net, allowing you to focus on recovery. It's clear that PIP provides a broad range of coverage, but is it mandatory or optional? We'll delve into that next. Is PIP a must-have, or is it an optional add-on to your auto insurance policy? Well, the answer to that isn't so straightforward. You see, personal injury protection, or PIP, is deemed mandatory in some states. That means if you own a car in these states, you're required by law to have PIP coverage. However, in other states, PIP is optional, so you can choose whether or not to add it to your policy. Now, let's delve into the concept of the no-fault system. This system is quite unique because it doesn't focus on who caused the accident. Instead, it ensures that each party's insurance covers their own injuries and damages. This means, regardless of whether you're at fault or not, your PIP coverage will take care of your related costs. It's a system designed to expedite the claim process, reducing the need for lengthy liability disputes. Now that you understand the basics of PIP and the no-fault system, let's talk about how to file a PIP claim. If you've been in an accident and need to use your PIP coverage, what steps should you follow? Well, it's simpler than you might think. The first thing you need to do is notify your insurance company promptly. Most insurers have specific procedures for filing a claim, so make sure you follow them to the letter. This may involve providing detailed information about the accident and your injuries, as well as submitting medical records and bills. Now, let's talk about potential exclusions. Every insurance policy has them, and PIP coverage is no exception. For instance, certain types of treatments or services may not be covered. It's essential to understand these limitations when you're purchasing a policy, and certainly before you're in an accident. In a nutshell, filing a PIP claim involves prompt notification, thorough documentation, and an understanding of your policy's exclusions. Understanding how to file a claim and knowing about possible exclusions are crucial, but how much does PIP coverage cost? Like all insurance policies, PIP comes with a cost. But how is that cost determined? Well, the cost of personal injury protection, or PIP, depends on various factors. These factors include the level of coverage you choose, the requirements set by your state, and your driving history, among others. So, the more comprehensive your coverage, the higher your premium is likely to be. However, remember that insurance isn't just about cost, it's also about protection. PIP coverage provides a safety net in the event of a car accident. It covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other costs, giving you peace of mind on the road. But like any insurance, PIP can be susceptible to fraud. Some people might exaggerate injuries or file false claims to get a payout. Insurance companies are always on the lookout for such fraudulent activities and employ various measures to detect and prevent them. Now that you're equipped with knowledge about PIP, you can make informed decisions about your auto insurance coverage. Stay safe on the roads.